Get ready, start. Khyber, the local health authorities in Landikotal have said that over 1000 people have been affected with malaria during the last 3 to 4 weeks. Full stop. They said that free health services were being provided at the malaria center at the district headquarters hospital, Landikotal, and efforts were underway to control the spread of the disease, which has become endemic. Full stop. They suggested immediate fumigation of the localities where the disease has affected most number of residents. Full stop. Meanwhile, local community members have expressed their dissatisfaction over the slow approach of the Tehsil municipal authorities to the disease. Full stop. They said that the TMA was repeatedly asked to conduct regular fumigation of the areas where malaria cases were reported, but to no avail. Full stop. They said that most of the cases were reported from areas, adding that malaria could also break out in adjoining localities if timely steps were not taken to contain its rapid spread. Full stop. New Para. Local residents said that people of almost every age of both genders had contracted malaria due to the indifferent attitude of the TMA staffers, who were very slow in responding to emergency calls from the affected localities. Full stop. New Para. They alleged that heaps of garbage lying in different localities of Landikotal had become breeding spaces for the malaria mosquito, with the TMA staff filing to run an effective awareness campaign against the spread of the disease and remove the accumulated garbage on time. Full stop. SWAT, the employees of Public Health Engineering Department, stage a protest here on Monday against registration of FIR against their colleagues and alleged occupation of departments by judges. Full stop. New Para. They took out a procession and gathered outside Swat Press Club, raising slogans against what they termed unjust actions. Full stop. New Para. Addressing a press conference at the Press Club, provincial chairman of all government employees, Grand Alliance Wazir Zada, alleged that during the 2009 and 2010 crisis, two bungalows of the department were temporarily allowed to judge. Full stop. He said that those bungalows were still occupied by judges. Full stop. He said that despite repeated letters sent to judiciary and administration for recovery of the department's property, no progress was made in that regard. Full stop. He was accompanied by APCA District President Ali Rahman, Patron of Public Health Workers Welfare Association Peer Gul Ali, Provincial Patron of Pakistan Mili Labour Federation Anwar Ali Bacha, General Secretary Kesar Ali and Fazal Subhan full stop. New para. On September 13, our employees discover construction work underway at one of the department's bungalows on the orders of district and session judges full stop. The matter was reported to Sedu Sharif police full stop. Instead of taking action, police arrested 9 employees of the department and registered an FIR against them along with 45 others staff members. They said full stop. New para. They said urge the administration to intervene immediately and resolve the dispute between judiciary and public health department full stop. They demanded of district and sessions judge to ensure return of the department's property full stop. New para. They threatened to expand the protest movement to entire province if their demands were not accepted full stop. They said that water supply in Swat was already suspended as a first step of the protest movement full stop.